Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. It is located in Ontario Province on the south bank of the Ottawa River. The population of the city is about 1 million people. Ottawa has a humid continental climate. Ottawa is the 7th coldest capital city in the world. Ottawa has about 10 earthquakes per year. The city was founded in 1826 as Bytown. In 1855 it was renamed into Ottawa. In 1857 Queen Victoria of Britain chose Ottawa to be the capital of Canada. The city has many colleges, universities, research and cultural institutions. In winter, the Rideau Canal in Ottawa becomes the longest skating rink in the world. The Canadian Museum of Civilization is the most visited museum in Canada. There are 35 major festivals in Ottawa. Some of them are Winterlude, Canadian Tulip Festival, Ottawa Dragon Boat Festival, Dragon Boat Races, Bluesfest and Folk Festival. More than 7 million tourists visit Ottawa every year.